This is a national emergency broadcast from the governor. The Prime Minister said that North Korea had launched the nuclear towards the United States and Britain between Hampshire, Buckinghamshire, Edinburgh and London. The government has ordered ongoing evacuation and shelter for other residents. Please purchase food and emergency supplies before 10 a.m. Thanks for hearing. Be good, evacuate, and good luck.
To be our little secret.
Sometimes we can't bear to look either, but cruelty to children can be stopped, and with your help, it can be stopped forever. Please support the NSPCC's new Full Stop campaign.